Hi everyone, Daniel Bradford here to give you a quick heads up regarding this week's Meditation for Actors class theme. So, this week's theme is I Am Enough. In our culture, we are constantly bombarded by messages telling us we don't have enough or we are not enough. Even when we achieve or acquire the things we desire, they are merely replaced with the next thing we don't have enough of: money, love, time, space. Learning to be truly with our experience means allowing it to be without trying to compulsively change it, fix it, or make it better. You are enough as you are, and this moment is enough as it is. So if that sounds of interest to you, then come join in our Meditation for Actors session, 6 p.m. this Sunday. No experience necessary, open to actors and non-actors alike. Hope to see you all there.